I'm happy. My son bought me a washing machine. Yo! It's my month for birthday, guys. Yo. Woo! Yay! Guys, I was washing the hands every day. Even winter time. Yo. I'm happy, Marco. May God bless you. May God bless you, my son. Yo. Whoop.
Oh, it's looking at the other side.
The other side, yeah, but I'm changing.
So what's happening here, guys, is that we're opening a washing machine, a twin tap washing machine that has been bought by this Grootman, CRTV. He just said, no, I want to surprise my parents, I want to surprise my mother.
Yes.
Yeah, now it's the time for unveiling. Let's see how it is. We're gonna show you how when it's working, how it's gonna be used. So this is the back side.
Yeah,
Let's
guys,
just make it face
this
this side.
guy is only 19 years. What about if in 25 years you're gonna buy me a house? 19 years, he's still metric, he's writing.
So it's a DeFi twin cam manual. It's a manual washing machine, which is we bought it for 4,500.
Well, you don't have to tell the price.
So let me. Hey, so that's fine.
It's fine. Like,
yeah, you can go and check the prices. Mara, already I've did a spoiler alert. Guys, this machine is huge.
Thank you,
Brand new, smelling from the box. Let's see how big it is. Yo. I can even go inside, guys, and wash myself in there. And then I come in out clean. Yeah. But the fata mazimai ari kufara.
Thank you, Marco. Your name is Makomborero, which means more blessings.
Yes.
Gonna have a more blessing, more money, good future, fearing God.
Okay, can I now cut, guys? Then we're gonna vlog another episode. Thank you. Bye, guys.